Du bist gut genug, twins. Today we gonna learn Germanese. Deutsch. Put like and subscribe for this. Maybe we will do French later. If you will like this format. Why I wanted to this one? Because du bist gut genug. No, not only because of this. I also wanted this because I wanna learn cyberbullying in Germanese. We will try to understand and learn Germanese by watching memes today. I think it's not very good, but either Duolingo is also not very good for words.
Someone calls you digger. Is that actually good or bad? Digger, that's a word every German teen use, but you don't find that in any dictionary. Digger comes from dick, dicker. Dick is thick, it's big.
It's only getting worse. Like, first of all, it was dick, digger. After it was dick. What's next, bro? Bruh. It's so fucked up. But so, du bist gut genug. That's enough. Genug, bro.
Heavy, it's fat, depending on the context.
Oh my god.
Hey, digger. So that is a very common word among teens.
I see. Teens are very bad. Oh, my favorite video from Reels. Germanese brain rot. I love this.
Oha, eine Schlafparalyse. Das ist ein Überfall.
Paralyse.
Ich nehme den Telefonjoker und rufe die Bullen.
Was kann ich gegen Sie tun?
Einbrecher.
Wir liefern keine Eisbecher.
Scheibenkleister.
Jetzt geht's in die...
Genau, ab in die Falle.
Wo verbirgt sich Ihr Vermögen?
No, with Albanian flag also like there was like Turkish, Albanians, Serbians, and everything happened in same Berlin building. I love this type of jokes.
Kowalski-Analyse. Atze, was soll da sein?
Meine Kronjuwelen.
Wir wollen keine Juwelen. Wir wollen Kohle.
Ist
The most funny thing is like I don't understand anything. Maybe they just making fun of like words, like the two meanings of them. I don't know.
Grill.
Klasse.
Class.
Endlich Penne.
Möchten Sie die Aldi-Kassiererin heiraten?
Ich will.
Ich
Möchten
will.
Sie die
So I will, ich will.
Tuba heiraten?
Oh, I remembered this old one. Ich will nicht. Don't trinken. Ich will nicht. Don't trinken. Ich will nicht. Do you remember this one, guys? Put like if you remember that one. Fuck, I hate my skin. Please make in comments what skincare do you use, because it's very bad in camera. In camera it looks very bad. It looks disgusting. Ew. I'm disgusted by you.
Dirt to me. You're disgusting.
Who are you? Okay,
Oh
next.
nein, nicht schon wieder. Mein sich normalerweise horizontal rotierender Fisch hat sich in meinem Bett schlafen gelegt.
Horizontal am
Oh
rotieren.
nein, nicht schon wieder.
Och nein. Yes, I know. So, Hände hoch, and I know Sieg.
Aufwachen! Aufwachen! Es ist der erste Tag des Monats angebrochen.
Wake up. It's the first of the month. Okay.
Okay.
German meme. For some reason, a lot of the fishes. Like, what happened with fish?
Horizontal rotierender Fisch.
Ah, rotieren fish. Okay. Oh. They'll try to make like this. It was so cringe, bro. I'm gonna kill myself. Ava, it's Arabic. I know this one. I was living in Qatar. I think she's overreacting.
Die Verfolgung auf.
Junge Frau, nicht so schnell, ihr Mentor.
Man,
Hier mit dieser Taxi.
Wer? Wir sind ein paar NPCs unterwegs.
Mein kleiner Bruder kommt gleich, mein kleiner Bra. Ja.
Hey, wie heißt er?
Er heißt Justus.
So we applauding for same person.
Freund eigentlich noch? Oh, Mama, jetzt zum 5. Mal. Der heißt Oskar. Oh, das ist aber ein schöner Name. Oskar. Da bin ich aber mal auf ihn gespannt, wie der so ist. Oh, ich glaube...
Okay, I don't understand. I cannot learn like this. It's impossible. What to do? I don't know. Just at this point, just put like, subscribe, and maybe I will do part 2 where I will try to learn even more. I don't know. For now, I think my Germanese from du bist gut genug get to ich schwinzen, ich will nicht, like from 0 to -1. I
Oh, heaven!
Patrick, go be stupid somewhere else.
But you cannot learn Germanese just by memes. I didn't invite you, bro. This was like Frank. Like I tried to impersonate.
Ladies, I know this is hard to believe, but I'm a pussy.
It was very bad. I didn't have a scenario for this video, so please just laugh. Please just say it was funny. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Police? Siri, call the police. Just show my video. Just make some trouble for myself. Okay, bye.